Hey guys, my name is Dayer and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make a powerful hair treatment that can help with balding, prevent hair loss, support alopecia, nourish the scalp, and improve overall hair health. So without further ado, let's get right into this video.
1, 2, 3.
The first ingredient I'll be using is cloves. I'll be adding about 1/4 teaspoon of cloves into my jar. Cloves are known to help prevent hair loss and support hair growth. They also contain important minerals such as potassium, sodium, phosphorus, and iron. Here I already have hot water that I've heated up on the stove. I'll be adding around 2 cups of water right into the jar with the cloves. Then you have to let it sit for 24 hours so the cloves can fully infuse into the water. Here's the cloves water after 24 hours. It has completely infused and it's now ready to use. Moving on to the second ingredient, here I have aloe vera. I will soak the aloe vera to remove the yellow sap, also known as aloe. This step is important because aloe can irritate the scalp. Soaking the aloe vera for about 10 to 20 minutes removes that, leaving only the clear beneficial gel. Here I am now cutting the aloe vera to extract the gel into my bowl. As I continue, I want to share a tip with you guys. When making aloe vera gel, if you want it to stay pure and thick, do not blend it. Blending often makes it watery. Instead, you can use your hands to crush the gel, then strain it to extract the liquid. That way, you keep a better consistency. This gel will not only hydrate your hair, but it will always nourish your scalp. As I said before, here I am straining the mixture. This is how the aloe vera looks like after straining it. Now I'm going to strain the clove water and combine it with the aloe vera. This is what it looks like after straining. I will now be adding in the aloe vera gel into this water. Now let's mix it up. Once it's all mixed, you'll notice the texture becomes smooth and slippery, and that is exactly what you want. Keep in mind, cloves water alone can sometimes dry the hair, but when combined with aloe vera, it becomes much more balanced and beneficial. Also, don't forget to add oils to help prevent dryness. Next, I'll be adding essential oils. Starting off, I'll be using argan oil. Next up, rosehip seed oil. And lastly, jojoba oil. These oils help moisturize the hair and protect it. Let's give it one good mix before we transfer it into my spray bottle. I'll now be using a funnel to transfer the mixture into my spray bottle. My mom is now going to show you how she applies the treatment to her hair. Always remember to apply it on clean hair and gently massage it into the scalp for the best results. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please give this video a big thumbs up and don't forget to share with your family and friends. Please let me know if you tried this amazing gel out and how your experience was in the comments down below, and make sure to subscribe. Thanks for watching. Bye!